Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to paper trade. This is everybody's main question when they first get into trading. They go, Carter, I want to trade, but I don't want to risk real money. How can I do it? So we're going to be talking about how to paper trade, how to set up your account and all that good stuff. So hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's fantastic. We have private live streams. We have quizzes. We got lectures. We got a group chat. It's awesome. We actually teach you how to trade, right? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years of swing trading. So check it out down below. We have an awesome holiday sale going on until January 1st. You guys can get 51% off by using code XMISS24. It's fantastic, guys. So make sure you guys check that out. Get the sale before it expires. And guys, let's jump into this. All right. So the first thing we need to understand is, what is paper trading? So paper trading is using simulated money. So not your money or not anybody's money, but fake money to trade. Okay. What this does is it helps beginners, one, get a general idea of the platform, because they can start practicing buying and selling and all that good stuff. The second thing it does is it practices and helps, new traders, build a strategy, build that checklist so they can paper trade for, a year, 6 months, get very comfortable with the strategy, practice their entries, exits, risk management skills. And then they can fund an account and start small and start trying to grow it. So paper trading in simple terms is just using simulated money. Now, not every broker has paper trading. The brokers that have paper trading are often referred to as trading brokers. So, Robinhood doesn't have a paper trading, but one of the brokers that we're going to be using today is MOOMOO. They're a completely free trading broker. I've been using them for years, so I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stocks just by signing up. So, sign up, click that link, start paper trading, start small, start trying to grow that account. So let's actually turn to the computer and kind of show you guys here how it looks here. So the first thing that it's actually going to look like is, once you guys log in here, there's going to be this tab, kind of how you navigate through the platform. So you actually do have to download the MOOMOO platform on whatever device you have. So if you have a Mac, you can download it on the Mac. If you have Windows, you can download it on Windows. So you can download it on about everything there. So after you guys download it, you log in, then you're going to be popped up to this page. So this page right here is pretty much just your watch list tab. Now, this is where I actively search for, opportunities. I look at the stocks that I'm holding here, and I can pull up my scanner here. So it just helps me trade. And you guys can even trade just by clicking that trade button down on the bottom here, right down. Where are we at? Right down in here. So if you guys want to buy, you guys can buy right there. So it's very, very easy. Now, off on the left-hand side of the screen here, this is kind of going to be where you guys navigate through this platform. So you guys will see this paper down here. Now, this paper represents paper trading. Okay, so once I click this, it will pop up our paper trading account. So you guys can see that, with trading, the biggest thing that I always do is I just will practice a little bit here and there. We're up a little bit, but I don't make it a big deal, right? I try to just trade here and there as the I kind of learn new strategies and practice new things, because I've been swing trading for over 7 years, but I consider myself a student to the market. The second you think you know everything about trading is the second the stock market or the market's going to take something from you. So you guys will notice here we have this right here. So this right here is that watch list tab that we make. So any stock here that we put on our watch list is going to pop up right here. Now, the downside to this here is very simple. So, if I click this, you guys will notice this pops up. So one of the things I want to do is go back to the paper, and I want to click this little pin icon right here. So now what this does is, if I click behind this software, Let me make myself a little smaller so you guys can see it a little better. So if I click this little pin button, what happens? When I click it, it actually just falls behind this screen here. So then I have to go back and click it. So we're gonna pin that so I can click behind here and stuff. And we're actually, what I always do here is I want to minimize this. I want to make this kind of small because I want to pretty much just have this if I can do it. So something like that. Seems pretty good. Okay. So that seems pretty good like this. So now here what we have a nice little area where we can start paper trading, right? We can write out the orders and all that good stuff. So now here, let's go back to our opportunity tab. And we're just gonna imagine here that we find a couple plays. And this is the good thing about pinning it, is you guys can still look for stocks and it's not gonna send this behind it. So now here, imagine we let's find some sort of play. Okay, something like this here looks pretty good, right? What we look for, very simple, looking for that stock on that upward trend, hit that 90-day moving average line, starting to rally its way up, looking at the hourly, had that nice breakout here. We kind of missed the boat on this one a little bit, but if we look at it here, let's go ahead and do that. We'll remove this. So you guys can see it'd be a nice little breakout approach here, as well as, it's above that 200-day moving average line. So now here, what we want to do, let's go ahead and we'll make this just a little bit like this here. So now here, what we want to do is we want to paper trade this stock, okay? So what we do is we type in this ticker right here in the symbol tab. Now, all you got to do, type in this symbol, so it's PPL. Once you do that, you guys will find this PPL right here. So now here, what it will tell you is the buyable, the sellable, and then the shortable. So if there's any shares available for short, they will be here. So now here, what you can do is just copy this, put it in the quantity tab. If you want to buy the, your whole account value worth of the stock. And now here what we have is a limit and market order. So the difference between a limit and a market order is very simple. Market order is going to give you the fastest price. It's going to help you get in on this stock as fast as possible. The downside of a market order is you really can't control the price, okay? Compared to a limit order, you guys will notice that the price now we can adjust. So we'll do a limit order just for now. We'll click this buy button. It will want us to confirm it. Now here, you guys can kind of see where it's working. So if you want to cancel it, you guys can cancel it by here. If you want to change anything, you guys can change it here. So you guys will kind of notice that it's, taking longer than we would like, or maybe you just got in and you just go, okay, so now it actually filled. So it hit that price that we wanted to pay for it. So now here it got filled. So now what we have is this stock in our paper trading. So now we're ready to go. We're watching this stock go up. And so now if we actually go, let's go ahead and we will, maybe you want to look at this or whatever it is, right? So let's just see here. So this is still, let's just cancel this. Okay. So now here, if we wanted to actually cancel or sell this stock, it's very simple. All we got to do is type in that same symbol, PPL. Click that again. And you guys will notice here that we have, let's actually go ahead, and it looks like we only had one share bought. It looks like I messed up somewhere. But all right, we'll do this. We'll click buy. All right, shares. Yeah, quantity of shares right there. So now we're ready. So now if we wanted to cancel it, all we got to do is cancel this order like that. So you can cancel it that way, but it looks like it actually did get filled there. So, that's the thing about trading, right? Is it's very fast thing. So now you guys can see the quantity is there instead of one. All right, so now here, if you wanted to sell that stock, it's very simple. You go PPL, we click it. And so now here you guys will notice that instead of having buyable, about 2,500 stock, we have sellable of about, 2,500. So you can copy that, right in here, put that in. And so now you can sell that stock. And so you could do a limit order, market order. We'll let this ride and just kind of see what happens here. And that's pretty much it though. It's a very simple thing. So we'll make this a little bigger like this, and then we will actually sell it right now. So we'll do that. We'll do market just so you guys can see market and how fast the market is. So boom, working. Let's see, filled. Very, very fast thing, right? So now if we wanted to buy it, very, very simple, PPL. Looks like we lost a little bit of money there, but well, no problem. Like this. So the buyable is 12119. So we type that in. So, with trading, a lot of it, sometimes your orders take a minute to get filled. So, you just want to make sure you're double checking this buyable right here. But that's pretty much how you paper trade, right? Any stock you guys want to buy, you just type it in. So if you wanted to buy, like Apple, AAPL, and all that good stuff. So the biggest thing though that I found is to pin it up here so you guys can make it smaller and then actually use your charting, scanning, and all that good stuff. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to sign up with MOOMOO, I'll put a link to him down below. But I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.